video, I'm going to be explaining how to finish a full Rubik's Cube. This method is easy for beginners. So let's start. First we need to find a white centerpiece, and we need to make a plus with it. Plus like this. And we need to align it with respective colors. Okay. Now as you can see here, this white green piece. Now we need to align it with green. Now it is aligned with green. After aligning it with green, we need to turn it. We need to turn it till how many times that if it reaches the center point of it, we need to stop turning it. As you can see, like this. This is how you need to do with every single color. Now I am going to do it with blue. Okay, like this. Like this. Now I turn it. It's aligned. Now we need to do with red. Sometimes the white comes like this and red is in back. That time you need to use this stick. You need to go up like this and you need to turn it. Now we need to do orange. Now we need to turn it. As you can see, the white plus is completed. First step, and it is aligned with the centerpiece of red, orange, blue, green. Now we need to adjust the corners. Okay. Okay. This corner has blue, red, and white in it. So we need to adjust it like this. Adjust it here. Okay. There is one more easy way to adjust the corner. If the corner which you are trying to adjust is near to left, you need to turn it right. And again you need to turn it left. And as you can see, the corner is adjusted. Up. The corner is completed and it is aligned with blue. Now you will find green or red and red. Green and red is here. As you can see, it's only turned it. It's closer to left, so turn right, down, left, up. As you can see, the corner is in right place now. Now we need to do the same to all corners. Just like this. It's closer to left, so you need to turn it right. I need to do this down, left, and up. As you can see, the corner is aligned. Now we need to do same for blue and orange and white. As you can see, this corner has blue, orange, and white. Now down. If white is near yellow side, down, not here, you need to do the same step. Like this, left. This time you need to turn it left and up. As you can see, white is here now. Now you need to turn it down and you need to turn it left and you need to turn it up. Now the corner is near to left, so we need to turn it right and down and left again. As you can see, the corner is in right place and it is aligned. Now our first layer is completed. As you can see. Now we need to do second layer. Second layer is easier than first layer. Now how you need second layer is only doing these edge pieces. Here we need red and blue edge piece. Let me find it. Remember, it's not corners like this. It's edge pieces like this. As you can see, red and blue is here. if you need to get red and blue, first you need to adjust green and red. Oh, green, sometimes the green and red is here. So we need to adjust this one, because this is only placeholder to get, if you need to get green, red and down. This is how you need to do it. Down, wait, like this. I'm adjusting green and orange to blue and orange. It is only a placeholder to, if we need to get red and green. We need to turn it left, because we need to place it right side. We need to turn it left. We need to do down like this and like this. Up. We need to do up. Now as you can see, the white is not correct. So we need to make it correct, and the piece will adjust itself. We need to do it right, down, left, up. As you can see, white adjusts itself, and here is green and orange. We did this because we need to get the green and red. Now we will place. As you can see here, green. I placed it near green because its front part has green. Again we need to do same step. Left, down, right, up. Here this white piece is close to left, so we need to turn it right, same, and up. As you can see, the piece adjusts itself, and it's now green and red. Now we need to finish red and blue. Red. Here is red and blue. We need to arrange it like this. This time we need to place it here. So we need to turn it right side, and we need to turn this down and this left and up. Now we need to fix the white. We need to it is left. It is right side now. So I'm turning it left, down, right, up. Now we only have blue, orange, orange and green. Blue, orange and orange and green. Now we need to find blue, orange. Oh, as you can see, blue and orange is here. Now we need to do it left because we are placing it in the down, right, up. Fix the white, down, right. As you can see, it corrected itself. Now we need to do orange and green. Orange and green. As you can see, orange and green is here. Its front piece is orange, so I arranged it with orange. Now I am placing it right side and turning. So I should turn it left side, down, right, up. It is left side, so I need to turn it right side, down, right, and up. As you can see, it aligned itself. Now, as you can see, second layer full is completed. Now our step is to complete the third layer. If we want to complete the third layer, we need to turn the cube reverse like this, and we need to do yellow. Yellow should be up and everything should be down. Now we need to do this. As you can see, there is for me there is L shape. But for some people there will be only a dot. For that you need to use same algorithm. Now I am going to say. Okay. The algorithm is F R U R inverse U inverse F inverse. Before we move, I'm going to teach you guys what algorithm is, how to perform it. When I say R, you need to turn this up like this. When I say R inverse, you need to turn it down. Basically, it's clockwise and anti-clockwise. If R inverse means there will be a comma up. Okay, now I'm going to say F. F means like this. F inverse means like this. U means like this. U inverse means like this. Okay. I mentioned everything that we are going to use in this video, and there is also the unique one D. If I say D inverse, you need to turn it left. If I say D, you need to turn it right. Okay, we'll move on to another step. We need to create plus now. If you will get this line. If you have dot, you need to do this algorithm I said before 3 times. If you have L, you need to do it 2 times. If you have this, you need to do it only 1 time. Okay. Now I'll say how to do it. Whenever you have line, you do not need to hold it like this. You need to hold it like this. Now we need to do same algorithm. F R U R inverse U inverse F. As you can see, we successfully created the plus. We need to not focus corners now. Now we need to complete edges. When I mean edges, like this ones, like this, we need to align it correctly. Okay. As you can see, we got orange and blue. Now we need to catch it like this. We need to keep orange backside, blue this side. We need to have one color backside with one color left side. Okay. Now we need to do an algorithm. R U2 inverse R inverse U inverse R U inverse R. As you can see now, all of our corners are adjusted correctly. Red to red, or green to green, orange to orange. This is like the first step we did too, right? Blue to blue, yellow, like this, like this, like this, like this. Now we need to get the corners in correct places. As you can see, we will only have one corner in correct place. We need to find that corner. Here we need to have green, orange, yellow. We have orange, blue, yellow. So it is wrong. Here we need to have orange, blue, yellow. We have orange, yellow, green. Here we need to have blue, red, yellow. We have green, yellow, red. Here we need to have red, green, yellow. We have red, yellow, blue. Okay. That means we did not have any correct corners. Now we need to make the corner correctly. Okay. Now we need to do U R U inverse L U R inverse U inverse L. As you can see, we got one correct corner. It is also positioned correctly too. So it's not important to corner to position correctly. It can be any place. It's only a main thing to be correct position, like this. Now we need to make all corners in correct position. We need to repeat that algorithm again. U R U inverse L inverse U R inverse U inverse L inverse. As you can see, now every corner is in correct place. Blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow. Orange, blue, yellow, orange, blue, yellow. Now next step is to adjust corners correctly. This is the main step everyone gets wrong. This is the last steps to finish the Rubik's Cube. Even I get wrong sometimes. I need to when I restart recordings. Okay, this is the main step. R inverse D inverse R D. R inverse D inverse R D. As you can see, we got this yellow in correct place. Now we need to do same. Don't one more main thing, you need to not saying like this. You need to only turn it. like this, up one. Now you do it like this. R inverse D inverse R D R inverse D inverse R D. As you can see, we got this corner in correct place too. Now this one, R inverse D inverse R D R inverse D inverse R D. As you can see, our Rubik's cube is completed. Now we need to align it correctly. As you can see, our full cube is completed. Every single part. This is the steps you need to follow to complete a full cube. If you like this video, like my explanation how to finish a cube, like and subscribe. Bye.